Hello, let's see how to convert Canva picture to watercolor. So I am on the home page. We can click social media and, for example, Facebook post. And now let's go to the left side menu, elements, and search for dog and choose photos. And now we can choose any photo. For example, I'm choosing this one. And now we can go to edit image. And here I will search for paint effect. If you don't see in this way, click the link below to return to the old Canva page. So next, you can search for paint effect, click see all, and here you see any paint effect. I love this one, window. Now you can go to share button here on the top, click share, download, choose PNG, and click download. And here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. See you!